Number one. Let's see, let's look at the numbers. What can we take out of 6 and 20? A 2. Leaves me with 3. Leaves me with 10. I have 3 x's on top, 4 in the bottom. So it's going to leave me with 1 x on the bottom. And I end up with 3 over 10x. Doing much better. Okay, number 3. I have a plus and minus signs. First of all, I'm going to lock this in there. I have a quadratic, so I'm going to have to factor. The x times x gives me x squared. That's a minus, so I have a plus and a minus, which means I'm going to subtract my factors. -5 and +3. And then the -5's cancel out. X plus 3 over 1, or just x plus 3. Number 5. They were very kind to me by factoring everything. I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses around my quantities. Let's see, I can cancel out m plus 5, m plus 3. So I get m plus 7 over m plus 8, and I'm going to put parentheses around these to prevent me from canceling out the m's. Number 7. Everything's factored. Yes, I can cancel out the n plus 10s and the 4n's. I'm left with 7 over n minus 2. Now, these are pretty easy. Yes. Oh, division. How do I divide fractions? Yep, I'm going to make a multiplication problem and flip this one. So I have 4 over 5m plus 9 over 5m squared. So this guy goes away. Okay, now I can cancel out. See my 5m squared is 5m squared. 5m plus 9, 5m plus 9. And actually, there's a factor 2 that goes in the 4, and a factor 2 that goes in the 10. And that's all I have left is 2/5, right? Okay, division problem. I'm going to change the multiplication and flip the second fraction. See, it means I have 10a squared times a plus 1 over a plus 7 and a plus 1. And a squared can go away. A plus 1. And that's it, right? How? There's no plus or minus sign. Nope. It's all multiplication. This is 7 times A times A. I can't. You know what I'm saying? So I have 7A squared over. Be careful. Do not cancel out A's. Nope. Is that it? Wow. Yeah, let's look at number 8. Some people had questions on number 8. I'm going to go ahead and put parentheses around my binomials here. Not a binomial, 2 terms. Okay, what can I cancel out? X plus 4. This is pretty close, right? Yep, I'm gonna take out a -1. Gives me x minus 8. So now I can cancel out my x minus 8. And I'm left with x plus 7 over -1 times 5 is -5. -1 times 5. Okay, questions on the worksheet. Number 4. Factor it. And that's plus plus, so it's plus plus. Oh, this one's easy, 8 and 8. Put parentheses around this quantity. And actually, you can cancel out n plus 8. So I'm left with n plus 8. Yes, ma'am. I have 5x cubed y over 15 x y cubed. Okay, let's look at the numbers. 5 goes into 15 how many times? I have 3 x's on top, 1 on the bottom. So I get an x squared on top and 1 y on the top, 3 on the bottom, y squared. So this equals x squared over 3y squared. Pardon me? Yeah, you can put a 1 there if you want. Okay, number 10. For 10, I have 6c squared plus 9c over 3c. I have a quadratic, so I have to factor. Okay, I can take out a 3 and a c. I get 2c plus 3. So I can cancel out my 3c. And I have 2c plus 3 left over. Up, Trevor. 12. We have x squared plus 8x plus 16 over x squared minus 2x minus 24. We have some factoring to do. The x times x plus plus, so this is a plus plus. Two factors of 16 that add up to 8. 4 and 4. And factor, x plus minus. Two factors of 24 that subtract the negative 2. Okay, cancel out. X plus 4. And I end up with the x plus 4 on top. I'm going to put parentheses around there so I don't make a silly mistake. X minus 6. What? Yeah. Yeah, when you get lazy in math, you really have problems. All right, number 14. I have 4x squared divided by 5y times 7y over 12x to the fourth. Now, again, I'll do this one. Well, we're going to have to cancel. Yep, 4 goes into 12 3 times. Yeah, the x squares cancel, right? This should be x to the fourth. So x squared, x to the fourth gives me x squared. My y's cancel. So this gives me 7 over 5 times 3 is 15 x squared. Hey. We're doing the bookwork, your bookwork assignment from yesterday. All right, number 16. I have 8y minus 4 over 10y minus 5 times x, or, nope, 16. 5y minus 15 over 3y minus 9. So I got some common factors to take out. Okay, I can take out a 4, get y minus 4. Take out a 5, I get 2y minus 1. Be y minus 1. Second one. Take out a 5, y minus 3. Take out a 3, I get y minus 3. Okay, cancel. Let's see, y minus 3, 5. Oh, yeah, number 8 is negative, isn't it? Yeah, this should be negative, negative, and negative. 16, let's see, I've got 4 times y minus 1 over 2y minus 1. Oh, I got a 3 over here. Did I get everything? Hey, 18. I have x squared minus 4, that's the difference of squares. X squared minus 1, that's the difference of squares. Times x plus 1 over x squared plus 2x. I'm going to put parentheses around this so I don't screw it up. Okay, difference of squares, x plus 2, x minus 2. And x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, we can cross out the x plus 1s. Oh, we can factor out a x here, x plus 2. So we can cancel out the x plus 2s. So I get x minus 2 over x minus 1 times x. Yep, that's it. 20. I'm going to do 20 through 24, and I'm going to do 32, maybe 34. I know. You need the extra practice. 20. I have 7x divided by 4y cubed divided by 21x cubed over 8y. I'm going to change this to a multiplication problem by flipping the second fraction. Okay, cancel out. Okay, 7 goes into 21 3 times. 4 goes into 8 twice. I have 1y on top, 3 on the bottom. So I have y squared. I have 1x on top, 3 on the bottom. So I get x squared on the bottom. So I have 2 divided by, I'm going to put my number first, 3x squared, y squared. And I'm done. 22. I know you didn't have to do it, but practice makes perfect. 6x plus 6 y divided by y minus x divided by, this was x cubed, and this was x to the first. Okay, x to the first, x cubed, I have two x's left. Divided by 18 over 5x minus 5y. I'm going to change this to multiplication. Flip. Fraction. Okay, I have to factor what I can. Take a 6 out of here. X plus y. Take a 5 out of here. I get x minus y. I need to flip these. Then I can cancel them out. So I'm going to take a negative 1 out. Get an x minus y. Let's see, that way I can cancel out the x minus y's. 6 goes into 18 3 times. Leaves me with x plus y and negative 3. And 24. 24, I have x squared over x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by 3x over x squared minus 1. Change it to a multiplication problem of x squared minus 1 over 3. Factor x times x plus plus, so plus plus 1 1. This is a difference of squares, x plus 1, x minus 1. Cancel. See, one of the x plus 1s. I think that's it. I have x squared times x minus 1 over x plus 1 times 3. Okay, let's look at 32. What? Which one? 24? Oh, okay, thank you. What am I looking for, Marcel? Oh, there's an X here? Oh. So I wrote the problem down wrong?
Did you do that?
So there's supposed to be an X there? Okay. So I would have to cancel out one of the X's, right? This would just be an X. All right, 32. I have 6x cubed minus 6x squared all over x to the fourth plus 5x cubed divided by 3x squared minus 15x plus 12 over 2x squared plus 2x minus 40. Now, I think I got to factor this before I flip it, because this is going to get a little messy. Okay, I got to take out a 3. I get x squared minus 5x plus 4. So I have a 3 x plus minus, so they're minus minus, and 4 and 1. Okay, the bottom one. I'm going to take out a 2 x squared plus x minus 20 all over, I'm sorry, not all over. I'm going to factor x plus minus, and I'm going to use 5 and 4. Now I'm going to change it to a multiplication problem. Ladies, your assignment, do 9 through 35 odds. Okay. Well, you should. 2 times x plus 5 x minus 4 over 3 times x minus 4 x minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to do this problem. Yep, I need a factor on this one, don't I? 6x squared x minus 1 and then x cubed x plus 5. Okay, I think I'm ready. X plus 5, x minus 1. Let's see, 2 of the x's, and I got 3 x's here. So these are going to cancel. I'm going to get an x to the first here. 3 goes into 6 twice. Is that it? This equals, what do I got on top? 2 times 2 is 4. X minus 4. All over x times x minus, oh, we can cancel out the x minus 4s. X minus 4. We can keep going, and I get 4 over x. Wow, all of that for 4 over x. Seems like anticlimax. What? Oh. All right. You guys get all that? Okay, now you can do 9 through 35 odds for tonight's homework. Both of you guys were. Both of you at the same time, huh?
Okay, I've heard for an hour. So